Hello friends, I am consultant of financial tree company Srejal Kesarwani. I am here to explain agriculture income. Agriculture income is defined under section 2 and subsection 1A. Agriculture income is exempt from Income Tax Act, but Income Tax Act indirectly collect tax on agricultural income. There is a method of aggregation. Agricultural income shall be levied and collected by state government. What is agricultural income? Agricultural income means the income which received from agricultural source is called agricultural income, which includes any rent, revenue derived from a agricultural land situated in India and used for agricultural purpose. For example, agricultural income from foreign is taxable in India. Or income from agricultural operation means basic operation or subsequent operation. For example, SSC engaged in only basic activity is a agricultural income, but SSC engaged only in subsequent activity is a non-agricultural income. And income from farmhouse, farmland, income from nursery sampling, seeding is a agricultural income. एंड व्हाट इज एंड नॉन एग्रीकल्चर इनकम में क्या आएगा? जैसे सेल ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर लैंड, इनकम ऑफ सप्लाई ऑफ वाटर फॉर एग्रीकल्चर ऑपरेशन इज अ नॉन एग्रीकल्चर इनकम, या रॉयल्टी फ्रॉम इनकम माइंस इन इज अ नॉन एग्रीकल्चर इनकम. ब्रीडिंग एंड rearing of livestock is not a agricultural income. And here we discuss partially agricultural income and non agricultural income. Example, rubber. Rubber का only 35%, रबर का only 65% agricultural income होगा. And coffee grown and curd 75% is agricultural income. And coffee grown, curd and roasted 60% is agricultural income. And tea का 60% on agricultural income. And balance all of the above is non agricultural income. Method of aggregation and partial integration. Method of aggregation is applicable only to individual HUF, ABP, BOI and AGP. Agricultural, it is applicable only when agricultural income is greater than rupees 5,000 and other income is greater than basic exemption limit. Method of tax calculation क्या होगा? सबसे फर्स्ट हम लोग एग्रीकल्चर इनकम और नॉन एग्रीकल्चर को ऐड करेंगे, उन दोनों में टैक्स निकालेंगे. फिर एग्रीकल्चर इनकम एंड बेसिक एग्जाम्पशन लिमिट को ऐड करेंगे और उसमें टैक्स निकालेंगे. उसके बाद जो दोनों का डिफरेंस होगा वही हमारा टैक्स पेएबल होगा. और इसमें सरचार्ज और रिबेट का भी इफेक्ट होगा. फिर जो भी उसमें ऐड या फिर लेस करेंगे वो हमारा फाइनल टैक्स पेएबल होगा.